I became obsessed with mosaic tiling when I went to Europe. And it was so intricate and beautiful, and it added so much depth to each piece. And I thought I could never do that. Well, no. I called Becky up and I said, we're going to figure out how to mosaic tile. We're not sleeping until we do it. So this is a step-by-step on how to mosaic tile for beginners.
The first thing we did was paint the piece with Magnolia Home paint. This actually needed 3 coats, but you do as many coats as you need to get the coverage you're looking for.
Joanna Gaines paint. We're obsessed.
But who isn't?
When cracking the tile, I like to get a towel. Now you want to make sure the tile face is down, so you're going to be hitting the back. This is my favorite part. We do have gloves on.
Yep.
We should probably have goggles on too, but we're just going to be extra careful.
Okay.
Ooh. Just crush it up. And see, it just breaks up nicely.
Once your tiles are cracked and ready to go, I'm a little bit more methodical. So we traced a circle from the piece, and I'm going to place the tiles where I want them before I actually start to glue.
When I do my mosaic tiling, I just like to do a section by section as I go, no planning ahead. So I'm
Wait, no planning, no preparation, she just gets to
But you
it.
just gotta feel it, you gotta go with it. So we're gonna do a nice...
And hold on, what is this?
This is tile adhesive.
Okay.
We're gonna do a nice layer. How much would you say that is? Enough to hold it, to stick it, but not too thick. Take some larger pieces. Now with mosaic tiling, they don't have to fit perfectly. So you just take your larger pieces and you can kind of just mix and match and
like a
blend
puzzle
them.
piece, like puzzles.
Do not follow my lead. I don't like to wear gloves, but you should wear gloves when doing this. We're gonna finish this here. You must let the tile adhesive dry for 24 hours before putting in your grout.
So the tile adhesive, lay your tiles, let it dry for 24 hours.
Let it dry for 24 hours.
Now that the tile has been set and dried for over 24 hours, we're going to use painter's tape around the edge of the tile to protect the piece and the paint from the grout that we're about to set.
So this is pre-mixed grout. There's no mixing, it's already pre-mixed for you, super easy. We went with a bright white. There are different color options for grout. The white just made the tiles pop a little more on this one. You're just gonna fill that in just like that. Lay it out, nice and smooth.
And you were not shy with the amount of grout that you used.
No, because you want to spread it, you want to fill it into those
All
gaps,
the holes.
all the holes.
Okay. Ooh, let me try. Every time Vanessa and I do a project, she likes to take control, and I'm like the little kid who's like, let me do it, Mom, let me try it, let me do it. Am I doing a good job?
I don't know yet. You look like you are.
And Vanessa's not shy about telling me when I don't do a good job. Ooh, I think I'm doing a great job. When I'm doing a bad job,
you just don't say anything. You just pause and you stare at me. That's how you know I'm doing an awful job. She does this.
I know. Oh, sorry. See?
Yeah.
She just told me.
Well, like this. Come on.
Wait, I do get distracted very easily.
This is a grouting sponge, specifically for grouting. It really works well. Just a plain bucket of water. Squeeze the water all the way out of that sponge.
So that's a grouting sponge.
Yes. And you're going to just spread that around nice and
Ooh.
easy like that. Just moving the grout around.
And that's just plain water you're using?
Yep. Oh, it also helps too to change out your water.
Shouldn't you be wearing gloves?
Yeah, probably.
That's okay.
Let the grout sit for about 3 hours, and then you're just going to take a wet cloth and go on each tile here and just give it a nice rub down, nice clean. See how that's popping like that?
That's amazing.
Right.
After the grout is completely dry, your last step is to spray all the tiles with the Grout Sealer.
When you sit by that mosaic table, do you feel like you're on the Mediterranean coast?
Thanks for taking 5 with us this Friday. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Time to live your best life.
One Friday at a time.